Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Welcome to another video on your channel Profit Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a stock which is Vijay Kedia's top small cap investment idea for the next 10 years. Now friends, if you have not already become members on Profit Equities, please click on the join button and follow the steps. This will entitle you to member only privileges on Profit Equities. One of this includes being added to our WhatsApp groups and Telegram channel where we discuss profitable stock opportunities. Also friends, we have recently become an authorized partner of Upstox, and if you open an Upstox account through the link provided in the pinned comment below, you will be entitled to some exclusive privileges on this channel. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Repro India Limited, which is available at Rs 490 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is REPRO. Now Repro India Limited is a provider of content, print and fulfillment solutions and is engaged in the printing of magazines and other periodicals, books and brochures, maps, atlases, posters and others. The company's product range includes textbooks, supplementary books, higher education books, distance learning, test preps and vocational courseware. Now, as is evident from the 1 year chart, this company has been a laggard and a lot of wealth has been destroyed here, particularly in the last few days where it has had a severe fall. The market cap of the company is 589.94 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 19.50 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 25.03, which is much more expensive when compared with the industry PE of 14.72. The price to book ratio of 2.37, however, is not very expensive. The company has a debt to equity of 0.6227, whereas the return on equity for this company is 0.1002. Now this company did not pay out any dividends and the promoter holding for this stock stands at 55.33%, which is just close to average. None of the promoters holding is placed. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all of the content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Also, the source for the video is in the description section. Please go through it to build more conviction around your investment decision. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already become a member on Profit Equities, please consider doing so.